Hey guys, it's Sidney here, and Mother's Day is coming up quick, so today I thought I would show you how I make these really pretty sugar glass cake toppers. So I'm going to be actually encasing some edible flowers into the isomalt. Now, you can use any edible dried flowers that you want, but I actually grew my own in this hydroponic garden. So I'm using a couple of pansies and then using the microwave method to dry them, but you can also just press them. I'm just a little bit more impatient. Now I'm using my pre-cooked isomalt tiles, and these are super easy because they're already tempered, so no temperatures, recipes, you just melt them in the microwave. And the edible image that I'm going to use underneath for the words is called a cello sheet, so it's totally edible and totally clear, so it'll be perfect for this glass effect. And then I'm just pouring the isomalt once it kind of cools down so it's not boiling anymore after melting, pouring that over the image, and then I can just lay any of the dried flowers into the isomalt. I'm using my flex form molds around the outside to create that really pretty heart shape, but you could potentially do any shape that you want to suit whatever holiday that you're making these for. And now I'm topping it off with a little bit of some edible gold flake because it just matches in so pretty, and then I pour another layer of isomalt over the top once the first layer is cool to really encase and kind of add some depth to those flowers and the isomalt. It'll take around 20 or 25 minutes for that to cool, and then I just remove the flex forms and I can trim the excess paper from around the outside to get a nice clean edge. These make really pretty cake toppers, so you can attach some acrylic lollipop sticks to the bottom to insert into your cake, or you can even make a little base to stand it up on if you want the topper to be removable, and it also makes a really nice keepsake. So I'll spray it with some clear edible glaze spray, and there we go. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more.